So just a quick message today to say you do not need to wait until you get an illness to start working on your health. Every day I get people reaching out to me saying, Ryan, I've got this chronic illness or this disease, like, can you help? And of course I can help. That's what I'm here for. That's why I created the Total Health Revival course. To help people overcome their issues and to create a healthy body. But what I want to say is you don't need to wait until you get to that situation where you're living in pain and frustration and you can't enjoy your life anymore. The Total Health Revival course can be used to build a super healthy body, so you don't have to ever go through that, to bulletproof yourself. And that's also why I'm releasing the Health Optimization membership. So instead of having to go through that pain and frustration, you can learn exactly what you need to do to bulletproof yourself from that ever happening. And in the Health Optimization membership, I'll be teaching you all the new protocols that I've been learning over the last 2 years. And I'm going to be teaching them to you in a way that goes through the seasons. So we're going to be doing things in alignment with the seasons and the way the body wants to release. So if you have got a chronic illness and you're looking to overcome it, of course, Total Health Revival course, you can plug and play into that. Boom, and then you get lifetime access to it so you can use it. But if you haven't and you want to get started already and bulletproofing yourself right now, today, you can use the Total Health Revival course to do that. And it's something that you can always go back through, because everything we teach you, you can use again and again and again. And you get lifetime access to it, and I'll be adding protocols to it. The more information I get and the information that new information that I can put out to you, I'll be updating the course. Or we've got the Health Optimization membership, which starts on September 6th, with the essentials of detoxification, which they're super important, because before you start doing anything, you've got to go through this, otherwise you can get big issues. And I'm going to do a video on that probably tomorrow. But remember, you can bulletproof yourself from ever having to go through pain, frustration, having gut issues, insomnia, brain fog, arthritis, heavy bleeds, menstrual cycle problems, chronic fatigue, exhaustion, whatever it may be. You don't have to go through that. You can bulletproof yourself, and that means that your body's going to be healthy and vital, have lots of energy, and be able to go and do whatever you want. You don't want to be living with, for example, like confidence shattering skin issues, or gut issues where you can't even go and have a meal with your friends. You don't want to have to go through that. So I said before, Total Health Revival course, you can plug and play into that straight away. Or we've got the Health Optimization membership. This is the person that wants to go deeper, get the information, get the protocols that they can add into their life, get all the new methods that I'll be teaching you. And that starts September 6th, and we've got different options for that as well. Okay, anyway, so if that sounds like you, because I'll be honest with you, I want to start working with more and more people that are just looking to create the healthiest body possible, so don't ever have to go through any of the issues that I went through. And prevention, an ounce of prevention is always better than a pound of cure. So the more we can get you into that healthy state, and the quicker we can do that, the more vital your energy, the more vital your life force is going to be, the more energy you're going to have, the more mental clarity you're going to have, the more you'll be able to go and do whatever you want and have the energy to go and maybe build that business, spend time with your friends, family, with your kids, go after the hobby, go and play the hobbies or sports you enjoy. Get yourself back. So many people get lost because they've got no energy. They don't even recognize a person. They look at themselves in the mirror. A person staring back in the mirror, don't recognize that person anymore. They've lost their sense of self, their identity, their ability to even go after anything they want, just because they don't have the energy, that vitality anymore. And we can get that back, but also we don't have to get to the point where that happens, and we can just keep building a healthier and healthier body, clearing ourselves of the heavy metals, the toxins, the pollutants, getting ourselves right mentally and emotionally as well. So it sounds like something that you're interested in, then either the Total Health Revival course or the Health Optimization membership, which starts on September the 6th, are perfect for you. And you can give me a message in the DMs, or give me a message in the DMs, and we can talk about how that would be right for you. Anyway, hope that helps people. Lots of love. Speak to you soon.